Hi everyone, let's learn to be kind. Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, 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 hello. Hello everyone. I came here on Earth with a mission from Whispering Galaxy. I came from the Whispering Galaxy. Can we say it together? Whispering, whispering. And I came here with a mission. I got from my galaxy portal a letter saying someone, little turtle, is not making right choices right now. And I, Joy, the kindest fairy in all the galaxies and whole universe, came here to take care of Tim. And maybe some of you who still not choosing the right choices, I will teach you if you stay with me in my amazing Whispering Galaxy. We will meet, I hope soon, TimTim, his name I think was TimTim, who need to be taught about how to be kind, how to be nice, maybe even how to smile. Do you know how to smile? Just smile, everyone. That is so easy to do, and it feels so good in our heart, isn't it? I will go and look now for a TimTim. I wonder where he is. Okay, bye for now.